how to enable or disable show apps behind Siri on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on Siri. And then in here, go down and tap on Show Apps behind Siri. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off Show Apps behind Siri. This will allow the current app to remain visible while Siri is active. So if I switch it on, you can see if I open up my Photos app, and if I say, "Hey Siri," Siri will stay on and it will not blur out the background of the other app. And now if I go back into here and turn off Show Apps behind Siri, "Hey Siri," you can see it will blur out the current app on the background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.